Look, let's be totally honest right at the top of today's explainer. You're getting ready for a big beach day or maybe just a cozy night in, and you look at your skin and think, why does this have to be so hard? I mean, we've all been there, right? The razor burn that just stings for days, that weird random irritation that pops out of nowhere, or honestly, just the everyday struggle of trying to get a clean trim without feeling like you're performing actual surgery on yourself. It's a universal frustration, and frankly, it's just exhausting. So let's really dive into this. Seriously, why does grooming have to feel like a literal battle with our own bodies? It absolutely shouldn't. The skin down there is just incredibly delicate. When we resort to, basically hacking away at it, we're pretty much guaranteeing those awful pain points. The stinging, the redness, the bumps, we kind of just accept these as the inevitable cost of grooming. But really, why on earth should we settle for a struggle that feels this complicated and painful? And that brings us to a massive mindset shift. Think about it. Cheap drugstore razors versus actual skin respect. Your skin deserves care, not just getting swiped at with some bottom-shelf disposable tool and a prayer. The difference between the harshness of those cheap razors and treating our delicate skin with real respect is literally night and day. You wouldn't use a harsh, low-quality product on your face and expect a glowing complexion, would you? Obviously not. So we really need to stop treating our bikini lines like an afterthought, which is exactly the goal of today's explainer. The grooming struggle is real, but it's time to find your perfect match. We are counting down the top 5 bikini trimmers of 2026 to help you find a tool that actually makes life easier. Let's kick things off at number 5, the Save My Wallet solution. This is the 2-in-1 waterproof bikini trimmer. Now, at just $10 to $20, you might be thinking, is a budget pick just gonna rip my hair out? Honestly, no. This is a super solid, simple starting point that gets the job done without making your bank account cry. And for that price, you're actually getting some surprisingly great features. The coolest part? It's a 2-in-1 device. You've got a trimmer on one side and a shaver on the other. Think about those times you're frantically packing a travel bag. You definitely don't want a massive kit taking up all the room in your toiletry bag. This little guy is compact, travel-friendly, and you can just toss it right in. Plus, it's fully waterproof. You can use it right there in the shower, which, let's be real with each other, is where pretty much all of us prefer to handle this stuff anyway. Now, I'll be totally upfront with you just to manage expectations. Because it is the most basic option on our list today, the motor isn't going to completely blow you away. You might have to go over the same spot a couple of extra times to get it perfectly clean, but for 10 or 20 bucks, it remains a really solid, low-maintenance starting point. Like the saying goes, it's simple, honest, and it works. Moving right along up the list to number 4. Designed for your curves. This is the Philips Bikini Genie BRT 3815. This one usually sits right around the $20 to $30 mark. Philips has obviously been in this game a really long time, and the second you pick this device up, you can immediately feel that nice little step up in quality. The real magic behind the Genie, though, is its rounded comb attachment. It is specifically, intentionally made to follow the actual human curves of your bikini area. Why is that absolutely crucial? Well, it means way less snagging and way less pulling. If you have highly sensitive skin that reacts to basically everything, you already know what a massive, massive relief that is. No more feeling raw like standard razors so often leave you. It's totally cordless, waterproof, and has a beautifully gentle trimming system. It might not be a massive full-body grooming kit, but for fuss-free shaping and maintenance, it is fantastic. It's honestly like that reliable friend who always shows up when you need them. No drama, just great results. All right, stepping into the top 3. Number 3 is the Gentle Giant, the Gillette Venus Gentle Bikini Trimmer. Pricing for this one falls right around the $25 to $35 mark. Gillette is a huge household name, obviously, but they definitely didn't just phone it in and slap their logo on a generic product here. They clearly invested heavily in pure skin comfort, and that investment is reflected perfectly in this price point. Let's talk about the post-trim redness and bumps because, it's the absolute worst, right? Well, the head on this Gillette trimmer literally just glides. You don't have to press down hard or fight with it at all, which actively fights against that nasty irritation. It also comes with adjustable guide combs, putting you in total control of exactly how much length you want to keep. And here's a small detail that is actually a total game changer: the ergonomic handle. Now, ergonomics sounds super fancy, but let's demystify that for a second. It really just means the handle feels right in your hand. There's no awkward fumbling when you're trying to reach those tricky spots. It makes the whole groom process feel far less intimidating and just way more manageable. It might not have the strongest motor on our list, but for pure comfort, it is incredibly hard to beat. We are getting very close to the top. Here is our runner-up at number 2, the ultimate multitasker, the Remington Smooth and Silky Body and Bikini Kit. This kit sits right between $25 and $40. And let me tell you, when you realize everything this kit can do, you see how incredibly value-packed it is. It's an absolute steal for what you get in the box. I am pitching this directly to the person listening right now who absolutely loathes bathroom clutter. If you just want one single device for the whole shebang, listen up. This handles legs, underarms, and the bikini line. It includes multiple attachments, so you aren't digging through drawers for 5 different tools. Plus, it even comes with a storage pouch to keep everything beautifully organized in one place. The reason we call it a jack of all trades is really the motor. This thing has a total beast of a motor. It is powerful enough to easily handle thicker or coarser hair without any of that awful tugging or pulling sensation. It powers right through, leaving your skin noticeably smooth and super happy. So let's see how this builds up to our winner. You might be wondering, if the Remington is so amazing and versatile, why on earth is it only number 2? Well, it comes down to this exact comparison. Jack of all trades versatility versus a super precise, flawless finish. The Remington is excellent at everything, but when it comes to that absolute perfect precision required for intimate grooming, the kind that makes you stop searching for anything else, our top pick just barely edges it out. Which finally brings us to the ultimate winner. Number 1, the absolute best trimmer of 2026, the Panasonic Bikini Trimmer ESW60S. Sitting right between $30 and $50, this price absolutely confirms its top-tier status. From the literal second you pick it up, it has this incredibly premium, perfectly balanced feel. Have you ever used a tool and thought to yourself, oh, okay, this is how it's actually supposed to feel? That's the Panasonic. It is a total investment in your comfort that pays off immediately. The flawless execution here is what makes it the winner. You're getting a foil shaver and a precision trimmer combo, meaning you can jump from basic shaping to a super close shave without ever switching devices. And for my girls with reactive skin, this is huge, the blade is hypoallergenic. It is as gentle as it gets. But you know what I really love the most? It's surprisingly peaceful. Instead of a loud, aggressive buzz that wakes up the whole house, it runs with this soft, quiet hum. It's a small detail, but it elevates the entire experience. It's the perfect mix of quality, comfort, and performance. So there you have it, 5 different incredibly effective ways to finally give your skin the love and respect it absolutely deserves. At the end of the day, it's your body, your skin, and your choice. Which one of these tools sounds like it was custom made for your routine? Seriously, don't settle for the razor burn anymore. Reclaim your grooming confidence today and ask yourself, isn't it time you treated your skin like it actually belongs to you? Thanks for learning with me today. I'll catch you next time.